Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. We have KHEA here with a song called Eclipse. So this one is a cool mix of this melody going in the intro and the beginning of the song, and then straight strumming there. Pretty easy one. Let's take a look at this song. No need for any cape on this one. Alright, so let's start right away with the chords. We have a couple of chords to learn, so let's start with them. Starting with the G, okay? So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the E minor next, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. D next, and that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We also have the B minor. That's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the second fret, and you bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom up, and then the rest will be fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. And then we'll have the final chord only used for once, the C major 7, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. So there we have the chords. Now let's take a look at this start here. We have this melody going on. It sounds like this. Alright, it's based upon the G, E minor, and D. Alright, so we'll start with this grip. It's the 5th on the D string. You hold that one together with 7th on the high E. These two notes, okay? So you're gonna play the bass here, the 5th for D string, together with 7th E. Then you continue with further 3 more 7 on E. So in total, you will play 4 times on this 7th E string. And you slide up here to this position. That will be based upon the E minor, and that is the 2nd fret D string. And you play that with a 3rd fret E string now. So you have the same principle here. You have the first kick here with both strings together. And then you play another 2 more times on the 3rd fret E string. So the 3rd fret E string is played 3 times in total. So, and then we have the final grip, or just this position here. You play now the open D string as the bass. It's based upon the D chord, and you play that together with the 2nd fret E string. Same principle here. You have the first kick together, open D and 2nd E, and then you play another 8 times on the 2nd E string. So in total that will be 9 times with the first kick there. So alright, and that's it, guys. Okay, so together it sounds like this. You play that for the first 5 rounds. So the first rounds there, 5 rounds, we'll play this. And so on. And after the 5th round, you end it with 1 downstroke on the C major 7. That's the only time you use this chord in the song. Just 1 down like that, and then a pause, and from now on starts the strumming here with actual chords. So we have the chord progression G, then E minor, and then B minor. You will play 4 downs on G, 3 downs on E minor, and 9 downs on the B minor. Alright, so you play that for 8 rounds, this chord progression. So G4, E minor 3, and then B minor 9. That's 1 round. You play that for 8 rounds. So a couple rounds sounds like this. and so on. Notice there, I'm playing on the bass / mid strings here. So I avoid the open, the high strings down here, because it gives a better sound for this specific song. So 8 rounds of that chord progression, and then comes an instrumental part. It's between the verses or so. You're gonna play now G, 4 downs, E minor, 4 downs, B minor, 4 downs, and D, 4 downs. This chord progression, G, E minor, B minor, D, for 4 string rounds per chord, you're gonna play for 4 chord progression rounds. So it goes like this, couple rounds. And so on. All right, then after this instrumental part, you will go back to the chord progression we just learned, the G, 4, E minor 3, and B minor 9, okay? So you're gonna play this for a total of 12 rounds. That incorporates the verses there, but also the outro. So in total of 12 rounds, and on the 12th round, it pretty much fades out there. So a couple rounds of this final chord progression is... Alright, so that pretty much covers the song called Eclipse there from KHEA. So thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this and if it was helpful for you, then please let me know. Thumb up this tutorial, subscribe to this channel, and play tuned.